What's up YouTube? AZ Guy 22 here, and today I'll be reviewing my 22 LR Uzi by Walther, and I gotta say it's a badass gun. Definitely recommend it if you don't want to pay $900 to $1,000 for the real deal. But yeah, this is exactly a exact replica of the gun, to the palm safety, to the flip it over here to the safety switch, and to the magazine release, and the folding stock. Yeah, pretty much has it all. And the swivel, got the swivel there, and yeah, it's pretty badass gun. It needs this big suppressor on here, so it's legal size or whatever, but I'm sure you guys knew that. And for this gun, you need to use a high FPS. If you don't, your gun's gonna start jamming, and you're not gonna have a good day. So yeah, keep that in mind. So I'm just gonna, show you guys the inside of this. Opening it is like, how you usually do with the Uzi. Just click that button down, then pull up, and then you got inside here. Pull this up right here. You got the whole mechanisms in here. Pull this back so you can see how the magazine loads. You can see the mag right there. I'll put in the one with the bullets so you guys can see how it works. Bam. Pretty cool. I like this gun. For the price, I only paid $300. Came with two 20-round magazines. Well worth it. So I'm going to disassemble the lower and the upper. You just gotta click the pin in the back, then lift this up, and that's all I disassembled. Put it on fire, and then bam, click it back down. Bam. Pretty cool. Got the upper over here. Pretty cool. So yeah, I definitely recommend this gun if you don't want to pay all that much money. So thanks for watching this review. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll have more shooting videos, or my first shooting video or whatever, so stay tuned.